It is 5:42, and we're expecting the Oregon Department of Health to release new coronavirus numbers today. In the meantime, the city of Portland is working on a plan to spend the remaining federal money to deal with COVID-19. Cora Harlan is live this morning to bring us a regional update. Cora?
Morning, Jenny. Good morning, Ken. You know, Oregon, the state of Oregon and the city of Portland were actually the only ones to qualify for the money that came in the form of the Coronavirus Aid Relief and Economic Security Act, or CARES, if you will. And as you mentioned, the city of Portland was awarded $114 million under that act, and they are scheduled to vote on the distribution of that money Wednesday of this week at the council meeting. Now, as you can imagine here, most of that money will go towards, or all of that money by definition, will actually go towards efforts to relieve coronavirus related things that have arisen here. As it's currently written, this ordinance Portland City Council is considering would allocate about $39 million to Multnomah County, which has led the charge here in terms of its health response to contain the virus. That would include $20 million for public health services and about $19 million for serving the homeless as well. Some other large spending categories include about $20 million for assisting low-income households with meals, groceries, and gift cards, $17 million for rent assistance and mortgage counseling, and assistance to help families keep their housing, and about $15 million to help support small businesses that have been hurt by the pandemic-related shutdowns as well. Again, the state of Oregon, city of Portland, the only two entities to qualify for some of this CARES money, and it'll be a welcome relief to a lot of budget planners in both the city of Portland and Multnomah County, who have some big holes to fill. Real quickly here, onto the full screen of the latest COVID-19 related numbers in both Oregon and Washington. We have had, of course, recently surges in cases in both Oregon and Washington. The numbers are on your screen for both Oregon and the state of Washington, as well as Oregon and Washington follow this trend sort of nationwide, Jenny and Ken, of having these shutdowns and having a surge in cases again, and having people out and about, and having these people out and about doing their thing has done nothing really to slow the spread of the virus down. So all of that is ongoing, and efforts are underway, as everybody is aware, to kind of curtail the spread of the virus. But this $114 million that the city of Portland will distribute later on this week will really help, as I say, fill a lot of budget holes that have been created by the virus.
All right, thank you very much.